There's a new company online called Temu, and as you can see, I don't know if it's showing up, it's got Temu stamped all over this paper. This should have come, I've done my first order, there's the Temu logo, look, just there. It's Chinese, there's one in America. It opened up in America a few months ago, and in May this year it opened online in the UK. I ordered a few things just so we could see what it's like. It should have come tomorrow 29th, but it came today on the 28th, so it's a day earlier than what they said. It's packaged okay. There's some really cheap things, but is it just cheap? It's China, don't forget, so is it worth it? So there, I've just started to open it, and we'll just have a quick look. I wanted some craft things, so let's see if I can find some paperwork. There's none there. There's none there. There's none there, so it looks like you don't get an invoice with it when it arrives. So let me just get the paperwork off my computer, and then we'll have a look. So I've pulled my order. It's got pictures and the prices, and then we'll go through with it. So packaged okay, arrived a day earlier than what it says. I think this is a good buy. Let's just go from what the pictures say, shall we? So I've got a thimble, and I ordered a brass or gold coloured one and a silver coloured one. They were 98p each. So there you go, that's two thimbles. That's when I'm sewing my borders on my quilts and doing some cross stitch or whatever. But oh, can't see just there, look. So they were 98p each. Yeah, I think they're good value for money. And they've got a little pattern on. Oops, show you there, look. Got a little pattern on. Yeah, so they were 98p each, so happy with them. Then we have, well, we'll do the big one, that's the magnifier, the desktop magnifier. We'll do that last. Black and white, that's £1.1942, and they're 500 yards each. So, and I was short of white and black, so I just wanted to see what they were like. And then they're just polyester, I believe. I can't see that there can be anything other than polyester. It doesn't actually say anywhere, so it must have said on the description when I was ordering it. But that's £1.1942, one black, one white. Right, so 7 pieces it says here, 100%. Oh, so 100% cotton, 7-piece set, £1.98. So obviously it's very, very small because it's very, very thin. Let's try and open it. Don't know how the that is. So let's see what size these are. £1.98. For 7 pieces. Not very big, I shouldn't imagine. No, look at that. I should probably read my sizes a bit better. But £1.98. It'll make a go towards a small quilt. There you go. Hey, you get what you pay for at the end of the day. £1.98, 7 pieces. So yeah, happy with that. That's what I ordered. A bath sponge, 88p. So that's what I ordered. Mine completely disintegrated on me. Oh, and you've even got something to hold it up with so it dries out. So yeah, that feels nice. That's only 88 pence, happy with that. And then 7 pieces for £1.98, and these are red. Take the end off. So red 7 pieces. Again, they're the small ones, same size as these. These are slightly bigger than those. So you got different. This is a bit thinner than these ones. But yeah, you get what you pay for. £1.98. You can make it again. You can make a small quilt for a doll's pram, or you can put all those together, the beige and the brown, and you can have a baby quilt. So yeah, you get what you pay for at the end of the day. That's £1.98. And these, I think, £8.49. I think these are a good buy. Take that off so you can see. And that's all the multicoloured cotton. So whatever you're sewing with, whatever colour you're sewing with, I should imagine one of these will match. And these actually look good when you're quilting as well. Yeah, again, I should imagine they're polyester for that price, but I sew mainly with polyester, so I thought they were a good bargain, £8.98. Then we've got, if I can get the pages turned over, and we've got 100 piece button head, £1.48. I needed more pins that were flat heads. They're called button head, but you can get all different ones. So yeah, £1.48. I'm happy with those. So there you go. And 50 pieces. So they're £1 and well, £2.19 for 2. And I needed more of these as well, so I was a bit desperate for these and the pins. Yeah, so now let's open this one. So I'm happy with the price of those and what they are. This is a desktop magnifier, or a table magnifier lamp. Oh, that comes nicely flat packed. And that is the price for that. It's white, that's the colour I ordered. There's the clamp, that's solid metal, that is, that's a good clamp there. That's the magnifier, and that's the lamp, and the plug with multi-switches with the magnifier. So I should put that one up. And that was £16.98. Well, I thought that was, it's all metal, there's nothing plastic about it at all. So there you go, that's my first Temu order. So in future, if I need anything, I should write a little list and keep in mind till I get a few things that I need. And I don't know if I'll be bothering to buy fabric again. But all these little bits, I mean, they're metal. They're rock hard. I like the colours. You had choices of colours. I had the silver and gold, and they were quite cheap. The sponge is nice, and you get something to hold it up with. Yeah, so I'm very happy. This is Temu order from China, online in the UK since May this year, and there you go. So, as I say, I don't think I'll bother with fabric again, but I'll go with other things that I've got in my scrap bag or wherever, because they're not very big, but they'll match something. If you do loads of things, I can make a little doll's quilt or baby quilt with these. So there you go, it's pretty enough. Yeah. So Temu, T-E-M-U, arrived on time, free postage and packing, arrived the day before they said, and everything's there. I just had to pull my invoice off my own internet. There weren't any invoice with it, and yeah, I'm quite happy with what I've got. So have a look, see what you think. Thanks for joining me. Bye.